Hi, my name is Aksha and today I'm going to teach you how to make mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes are the easiest thing. What you need is potato being the main ingredient. A lot of people think that you mash the potatoes and you add a little bit butter and then that's it, but no, that's not how mashed potatoes are made. Mashed potatoes are made with a lot of ingredients which we add, which are all dairy. So let me show you the ingredients right now. So the ingredients, you need potato. It's nicely boiled. See the consistency. It's boiled, so all you have to do is mash it up. Then you have milk. I'm using the Amul milk, Amul Taza milk. I'm using black pepper powder, cheese, butter, salt, and again this is the coarsely ground pepper. Now the reason I'm using coarsely ground pepper and pepper powder is because in a mashed potato, the best part of the mashed potato is how you use the pepper. It shouldn't hurt somebody's throat. So there I'm mashing this entire potato. You have to mash it just a little bit because I'm going to use a mixer to grind all this together. That's the mixer. I'm going to add all the potato. There goes in all the potato. I'm going to add the pepper powder. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Remember, always add lesser salt in a mashed potato. Although potato does suck in the salt, we are going to put in cheese, so we have to be careful with the content of the salt. We can always add some later. Then I'm going to put 1 spoon butter. And a little bit more because there's a lot of potato. I'm making this for a family of 6 to 7 people. So and I'm going to add the milk. This coarsely ground pepper will come at the top, not now. Let me grind this quickly. Now taking this out of the mixer, if you can see, it's such a beautiful consistency. This is what the mashed potato actually is all about. Is this beautiful consistency that we have of the mashed potato. If you can see, there is black dots in it. That is the ground pepper. Now it's always optional for you to use it or to not use it. I like to use pepper. So now I'm going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay. So I have just taken this out of the microwave. I put it for 1 minute. Why I put it in the microwave is because we added butter and we added cheese, and I wanted that butter and cheese to kind of get infused in this beautiful potato mash. Just look at how beautiful it is. This is going to be so delicious, I cannot even start to tell you. So hurry up, go boil those potatoes and make your mash. You can also garnish this. So coarsely ground pepper and all these dishes, continental European dishes, go very well. A little bit from the side. Probably get another spoon in or just wipe the spoon clean, and you can just place this on the table along with any vegetable or any steak or any sauce. It's beautiful with anything or just by itself. If your baby is hungry, if your child is hungry and you want to give them some mashed potato, this is the recipe. Just don't put in so much pepper, and definitely don't add any ground pepper if you're giving it to a small baby. So that's your mashed potato, ready to be kept on the table the way it is. If you like, you could even garnish it with parsley or coriander if you like, or just a sprig of coriander also is good enough, depending what you have in your fridge at any given point of time. You don't have to do anything. This is just perfect.